Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you ready to forget all the responsibilities that you have and just float in your pool all summer? Check this out. This pool float is 100% going to help you reach that goal. Look at this thing. It's huge. I love it. I can fit on it with my husband or my kids and just float the summer away. That is so wonderful. So a couple of things that I really love about it is how easy it was to inflate. It's got some quick valves there. It's a 3-way valve, so it is easy to inflate and deflate. I love the colors. It's so pretty. And I love that it has holes in it, so you're not going to sit there on your float and sweat. It's going to let some of the cool pool water in so you can stay on there for hours like you want to anyway, with a drink in your hand, and you'll stay nice and cool. It's got a wonderful attached pillow on it so you can stay nice and comfy also. I wanted to show you a video about how easy it was to inflate. There's one inflation spot for the pillow, and then there's one for the rest of the inner tube. It was very quick and easy, and then you are ready to chill in your pool. Now, I am not a small woman, and I love how durable this thing is. I know it's going to support me, plus my kids or my husband, and we're going to have a great time on it. So this pool float is amazing. I love how big it is. I love how I can just lounge and still be cool. It's fantastic. That's just my point of view.